I was hoping for some orange. Hello out there, how's everybody doing? On this September Eve. No. Well, it's a September evening. It's not the eve of September, it's an evening in September. And I just don't remember how to make orange out of all of this. I'm going to make a melon-colored pumpkin. Oh, Halloween is coming. And I'm going to try and make some decors. I know you translate that. I'm going to try to make some little Halloween items. So we'll be back in a minute. There's a little one. Okay. Okay, there's a couple of eyes. I'm going to fill it in with something over here. Now I need... Oh, that looks like a nose. What did I do to it? I had it looking just right. Must have stretched it a little. Well, we'll shape it a little bit. Maybe it'll be more of a melon-colored skull than anything. Okie dokie, let's see what I can do. I'll have to give you a close-up of this stuff after a while. I should have got the camera closer. I tried getting zooming it in, but I actually need to have it over here on the table. So when I get a little bit done, I'll show you. Because otherwise, you just don't know what it is. I'm going to make... Right now I have it just kind of a weird-looking skull with no nose hole. But... tiny little bits of this. Well, that's still too big. It's stuck. It's stuck. With this shakiness, it just drives me nuts. You ought to see me after a treatment. Then I'm real shaky. Okay, let's try. This is... I don't know if you are familiar with a familial shake. Familial just means that it runs in the family. And that's the way this is. My grandmother had it, and the older she got, the more it progressed. I am on medications that they're not for the shakes, but there's one or two of them that do help to reduce them at sometimes, but right now it's because of the way I'm sitting, I think, that's causing a lot of the extra shakiness. If it were if it were like Parkinson's, a lot of the, at least at this point, I'd be less shaky, more than likely, doing purposeful movements like this. Man, that's still too big. He's a small head. He got a small head. It's more like a mustache than old teeth. Problem is, he's kind of soft right now. So I'm kind of de-shaping him. Is that supposed to be a pumpkin? Yep. Since when do they have eyes? Since people started making jack-o'-lanterns out of them. Weird. Oh, are those bones? Yes. Can I have one? Nope. How about me? Nope. They're not real bones. They're for decoration. I've got to bake them yet. They're just some very soft clay right now. Oh, you could be polite and talk to the people out there. Oh, hi, people. Hi there. She brings us out at the very end. Well, now you can make your requests. Requests? Oh, that's all you want from us? You want us to work? Yep. You want us to do your job and ask people to subscribe? Yep. And click the notification bell? Yep. And comment? Of course we want them to comment. And thumbs up? Give us a like? Yeah, I think they like you. Oh, do you like me? They love you. And we will see you tomorrow. Please share us with a friend. Who knows? Somebody may need that bit of cuteness. Oh, she called us cute. Oh, smile and wave. Good night. They love you. My poor noggin. Oh, it's so soft. That's better. More of a hug. Okay. Look in the description below to find links to the sites where you can buy these books. They are all available online as well as in your local major bookstores. Thank you.
Got it yesterday. It's got a flag on it even.